Do you know that what is the most important technology you need to understand whenever you want to start your career into the IT industry? Then there are two technologies out there. One is SQL and another technology is Linux operating system. Linux is a generic technology which will be used by the multiple other technologies, like if you want to kickstart your journey as a big data developer, Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, application support, Linux administrator, server administrator. Then in all these fields, apart from this, there are multiple other fields are there in which Linux play a very important role. So it is very important that whenever you want to kickstart your journey into the IT industry, you should know about the Linux operating system. So I'm going to conduct a master class of Linux operating system where I'm going to talk about how to install the Linux operating system, and the most important is the frequently used Linux command. I will show you everything practically. This master class will be live and I will start from the very basic and slowly we will go to the advanced part. We will train in such a way that everyone who is coming from non-technical background also, he will be able to understand this master class. This master class you can enroll in just 499 rupees. When we try to decide the cost, we try to understand that anyone who is coming from non-technical background, a person who is not working anywhere, should be able to afford this price, and that is the reason we are coming with this cost in just 499 rupees. If you are interested to enroll to this master class, which is a live class, you can click on the below link which is available in the description and enroll to this live master class of Linux operating system. We are going to conduct this master class on this coming Saturday, and you will get the more details as soon as you are enrolling to this master class. If you want to know more about this master class, you can check the description of this video. Also, if you want to understand and if you want to learn a lot of free content, you can subscribe to our channel. Every day we are uploading new videos based on the multiple technologies where you can understand easily a lot of technologies in free of cost. Thank you.